Welcome back to school. I hope you enjoyed your first day. And I want to talk about some problems in Chapter 1. If you're experiencing any problems, hopefully you're able to go to the e-board and then click on the YouTube link to see this particular lesson. Now the first question in WebAssign is something that uses factor label or dimensional analysis to solve. This particular problem, I changed the numbers somewhat. So I found this huge diamond. It's 4,000 carats. I don't know if you could just imagine 4,000 carats is a large, large diamond. If you're a lucky person to get an engagement ring that large, it means you're very wealthy, okay, even if it exists. All right, now the question is, they'd like to know what this is, carats in terms of pounds. So they gave us some information. All right, I call this 4,000 the given. It's not just any diamond, but it's a 4,000 carat diamond. The one in your WebAssign is 3,106. So this number could change depending upon, who made up the problem or what type of diamond it is. All right, some other facts about this. They told us a couple bits of information. I call these the fun facts. Fun facts are things like 12 inches equals 1 foot. 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 meter is 3.28 feet. A lot of these fun facts can be found in the front flap of your textbook. I would recommend using the ones from your textbook because WebAssign is based upon these values. Some values people are a little shaky about. If you look them up on the internet, for example, someone might, throw a couple extra decimal places in there, etc., etc. I recommend using the ones from the book itself. All right, our first fun fact, they said, is 1 carat, and this was given to us in the book, is equal to approximately 2.00 grams. All right, notice here that the grams is written in 0.200. What significance do the zeros have? Well, the zeros are telling us here that somebody measured from the tenth to the tenths and to the hundredths and then approximately in the thousands. This particular number, the zeros are significant. They're telling us there's 3 significant figures because somebody actually took the time to measure this thing to the tenths, no. To the hundredths, no. To the thousands, yes. So those numbers are important to us. All right, the next thing we know that 1,000 grams is approximately equal to 2.205 pounds. All right, this was something given to us in the problem. All right, these complete our fun facts for this particular problem. Now, if I go over here, I start with the given. The given to us is 4,000 carats. All right, I can't argue with that because that's the size of the diamond. The question is, hey, what is this in pounds? So I'm going to write a question mark over here and then put pounds over here. Somehow or another I've got to get from carats over to pounds. All right, let me use my fun facts. Now some people prefer to use times. Some people put walls up. I don't really care how you do it as long as you have some type of system in place where you can use these fun facts. Now we have carats in the top. We must have the word carats in the bottom. All right, what do we know? There's no thinking here. We just look at our fun facts. We know that 1 carat is equal to 0.200 grams. All right, now, if I cross off the word carats here and here, I'm left with the word grams. Grams does not match pounds. I'm not successful yet. I need to keep going. So let me try an additional step to it. So I write another one. Do I have any fun facts that relate grams and pounds? And I sure do. I have 1,000 grams is equal to 2.205 pounds. All right, if I cross off grams here and here, I'm left with the word pounds, and now I'm confident that I've solved this problem correctly. This is a perfect example of doing a factor label problem. Now, let's take a look at the significant figures. What is the real answer? All right, if I look, let's say, I come up with an answer, it's 1.5023, something along these lines. Pounds. All right, I just made that up. All right, now I'm looking here. Notice that we have 3 significant figures here. We have 4 significant figures here. And here they're telling us this is exactly 4,000 carats. We have 4. So looking through the problem here, It looks like this is the limiting factor with 3 significant figures, so this answer can only have 3 numbers in this answer. So if we look here, the 2 rounds down to 0, and I eliminate it, and my answer is going to be 1.50 pounds using the appropriate significant figures.